Alright y'all, Geode Tumbler 2.0 is here. If you liked my first one, you're gonna wait to see this glow up. So don't click away. And hey, before we jump in, hit that like button if you're already feeling the sparkle and subscribe so you never miss a blingy moment. We're starting with a 22-ounce cafe tumbler from Tipsy Magnolia, already painted with Dixie Belle bonding balls. My plan was something orange themed, but I didn't have a solid idea until I remembered my 40th birthday Geode Tumbler from 2 years ago. You all went crazy for that one, so why not bring it back? Only this time we're adding a dome lid for a little extra drama. Now, if you want to follow along, I got free stencils on my website, zebra print, leopard, and a leaf. Download them, size them however you like, and remember, your geode doesn't have to match mine. Just keep those lines squiggly or jagged for that natural geode vibe. I filled my sections with shades of orange, yellow, and brown. For the zebra section, I reverse weeded my stencil, colored it in, and did the same with the leaf pattern. Since this tumbler was for a cup swap at the Love and Bling Retreat, I added sparkle vibes and vinyl. Little tip, sand it and wipe it with alcohol first so that vinyl sticks like a dream. While my lid, painted with Dixie Belle bonding balls, was drying, I jumped into the foundation row. I didn't have my white stones yet, so I started with the color sections, using the rim to keep everything lined up perfectly. Now for the Rhinestone magic. Fill in each section with my chosen colors. I'll drop them all in the description for you. I tackled the leaf design using SS6s for the stem and mixed sizes for the leaves. Once my neon white luster rhinestones arrived, I finished the foundation row and popped them into the white spaces on my letters. Then I filled in the words, followed by the rest of the cup. The lid, oh, she got the same royal treatment. Leaf shapes, leopard spots, and plenty of shimmer. And here's the grand reveal. What do you think? Does this one top my original geode? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you recreate this design, tag me on Instagram so I can share your work. Thank you for watching.